Hey there, fellow video editors. Welcome to the first episode of our exciting Capcut tutorial series. In here, I'm Rick, and in today's video, I have a little secret to share with you. A shortcut key that will supercharge your media importing process in Capcut. Stick around so you will not miss it. Let's get started by click on the Create New Project button. To import your media files into Capcut, we have a few handy ways to get the job done. First, click on the file, tap in the ribbon on the top of the screen. Then simply select Import from the drop-down menu. When you click on the Import button, a new window will appear. Here I will show you a few different techniques to import your media efficiently. To import a single file, you just need to choose it and click on the Open button. On the other hand, if you want to select some files, hold on the Ctrl key on your keyboard and left-click on each file you want to import. This allows you to pick specific media items even if they are separated. If you have multiple media files located consequently, you can select them all at once. Just left-click on your mouse in the first file and hold and drag to the last file. Capcut will automatically select all the files in between. Or you can just use a shortcut key, press Ctrl key and A key on your keyboard. Now, here's the secret ninja shortcut I promised to you. For the faster way to import your media, simply press the Ctrl key and the letter I on your keyboard in the same time. Boom! It's like a magic. And there you have it. You have a lot of different ways to import your media into Capcut. From manually selecting individual files to using the time-saving ninja shortcut Ctrl plus A letter on your keyboard. Wasn't that cool? Make sure you to subscribe our channel so you don't miss out the upcoming episode of our Capcut tutorial series. We'll dive deeper into editing technique, special effect, and much more. Thanks for watching and happy editing. See you.